Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Rosen.
All right, we are going to jump into math. What are we going to do?
Math.
Math. We are first going to watch this video, so turn on those listening ears. Catch a bubble if you need to.
There are 16 students in Jada's class. She has represented each student with a counter.
Listen along.
How can Jada plan where each student will sit on the bus for their next field trip? She can use a double 10 frame to show how the students will fit in the buses.
So what is she going to use to have the counters fit? And then what is she going to use, Royce?
So the red ones go in the bottom, and the yellow ones go on the top.
So she could put the counters, the red ones in one bus and the yellow ones in another bus? Very good. All right, yes, go ahead, Jasmine. Okay, let's see.
Jada uses a double 10 frame to arrange the counters and fill one bus before the other. How many students are on the first bus?
Who's a quiet hand? A quiet hand can tell me how many students are in the first bus. Jasmine.
10.
10. How many students are on the first bus?
10.
Good job. Let's keep going.
There are 10 students on the first bus. How many students are on the second bus?
7.
Oh.
There are 6 students on the second bus. How many empty seats are on the second bus?
Now let's think for a minute. Think in your head. We're looking at the picture. You can also look and count. How many empty? Nope. So there is 6 kids on the bus, and there is 10 total. So if we already have 6 kids on the bus and there's 10 total spots, how many more kids do we need to fill it up?
4.
Oh, 4. How many more do we need?
4.
Now let's check and see if we're right.
There are 4 empty seats.
Yay.
How is this drawing like the bus picture?
6.
Oh.
The drawing shows 10 in the top 10 frame and 6 in the bottom 10 frame. How can 16 be written in 2 parts?
Ooh, so this one's a little tricky. How can 16 be written in 2 parts by looking at this image? Jason, you have had a turn. What equation do I write? 16 equals what?
10 plus
I'm asking Jason. How many's in the red one? 10. So 16 equals 10 plus how many yellow ones? 6. Can we all say it together? 16. Listen to me first. 16 equals 10 plus 6. Your turn. 16 equals 10 plus 6. Good job. Let's see if we're right.
16 can be written as 10 ones and 6 ones.
Now you know how to find parts of 16.
All right, now we know how to find parts of 16. So now we are moving on. Did you guys all think you could do that?
Yes.
Say, I can do it.
I can do it.
Look at your neighbor, say, you can do it.
You can do it.
All right, pencil up. Oh man, that was so sad. Let's try that again. Pencil up. Swoop. All right, now we are looking at Miss Rosen's paper for the guided practice. We are going to see how many counters we have in our double 10 frame. In the first 10 frame, how many counters do we have? Who's a quiet friend that can tell me? Kai. 10. So what number will we write in the first blank spot? 10. And can the whole class tell me what 2 numbers make up 10?
10 is 5.
No, 10 is a 1 and a 0. Good job. Let me see if everybody has 10 trays. Good job, Malachi. Good job, Jocelyn. Good job, Royce. Look at you and ahead and patiently waiting. I'm very proud of you. Good job, you. Good job. I like it. I like it. All right. Now, how many counters are in the second 10 frame, my friends? Royce, do you know?
Yeah.
How many?
15.
Oh, 15 is in total. How much is in just this 10 frame?
5.
5. So what's our second number we write? 5. Go ahead and trace that. And once you're done, put your pencil in the air so I know you're ready. Pencil up once I know you're ready. Royce, are you ready to move on? Put that pencil up. Jason, you ready to move on?
No, I already moved on.
Just wait patiently. Jasmine, lovely. So now, who's so brave that thinks they can read me this equation? I'm going to call on Michael, my friend back there.
All right, 15 equals 10 plus 5.
Whoa, he was speedy. Can we all say it together?
15
equals 10 plus 5. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Get your sillies out. Shake, 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 shake. Please go sit down. So we are working on addition. So 15 equals 10 plus 5. Your turn. 15 equals 10 plus 5. I know it's a little tricky saying the equation backwards and not forwards. So now, we're on this page. Can you see what page you're on?
Yes.
You're on that page. Pencil up when you're there. Kai's ready. Jasmine's ready. Rakov, are you ready? Andreas is ready. All right. The magic number we're looking for is what? What number is this, Royce?
40.
Enough. Okay, class.
Yes.
Track me. So Royce just said that we have 14. So we're going to fill out this equation. It's an addition equation. Remember, we always first fill in our first 10 frame. So what's our first number going to be? Does anybody know what our first number is going to be? Anybody know what our first number is going to be? 10. So go ahead and write 10 and exit out that first 10 frame. I see, Malachi. Thank you. I see what's going on. Do not worry about it. Worry about yourself and your own problems. What number do I write right here? We did this one. Look at Miss Rosie. I know we'll go back and do this later, okay? So, we have the 10 filled out in the first 10 frame. Jasleen, sit up. Matt, go sit down if you are done. So, we have 10. How many more do I need to put in this 10 frame to get to 14? 4. How many more, class? 4. So, what number am I going to write? 4. So, I have 10 plus 4 equals 14. That's perfect. You're doing just amazing. And you wrote 10. Once you're done, pencil up. All right. Now, who could tell me by looking at this picture? I need eyes forward. Jasleen, second warning. Track me. Rakov, eyes forward. Who could tell me how many green counters there are? Let's see, somebody who I haven't called on in a while. How many green counters are there? Okay. How many green counters are there? Rakov. How many green ones? Do you want me to count with you? 1, 2.
10.
There's 10 green counters. So what number do we write right here? 10. Genius. All right, go ahead and write that 10 once you're done. Pencil up. Write number 10. All right. So we have 10. And how many yellow counters are there? Can the whole class tell me? 6. How many counters are there all together? 6. All right, and this is the last one we're doing together, and you will be doing the rest on your own. So eyes forward, looking at me. Catch a bubble. So this one, we have the equation, but we're only giving a double 10 frame. So we have to figure it out for ourselves. So if I have 10 plus 5, what do you guys think is going to go in the first 10 frame? 10. first 10 frame? Oh, I got 3 people, 4 people, 3 people. So that is correct. We're putting 10 in the first 10 frame.
And then 5.
Oh, do not shout out and go ahead. So it should look like Miss Rosen, Malachi. If you need a break, go take a break. All right, so we have 10 plus, how many more do I need to put in the bottom 10 frame? 5. Bryce, how many do we need to go in the bottom 10 frame? 5. Michael. So sad. So there is 5 in the 10 frame. How many is in the 10 frame? 5. Once you are there, you are flipping the page. You are flipping the page. You should be at this page. Once you're there, pencil up. Oh, we go where your sticky tag is. So for 5, 6, and 7, you will be doing them on your own. Once you are done doing them on your own, you may bring them up to me to check. If you need help, yes, you may go to your table. We're not doing that page, we are only doing the page on Miss Rosen's screen. Cool? Michael, I need you to finish this page. You did not do it. And go to your tables if you want, or you can work on the carpet. I have my stamp card, so when you are ready, you can come get a stamp from Miss Rosen. If you need help, raise your hand and I will help you. I will help you. Go sit at my desk if you need help.